Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today we are cooking a wonderful dressing that we use not only on salads and dressings, but on grains and greens and sandwiches, and we dip things in it. It's wonderful. And it's called
Ginger, walnut, and miso dressing.
And that's on page 100, exactly, in the Engine 2 cookbook. The Engine 2 cookbook, different from the Engine 2 diet. So this
The Engine 2 cookbook was created by Jane Esselstyn and Rip Esselstyn.
Says the proud mother. Okay, so it starts with, I'm going to do a cup of walnuts. Could you ever get that for me right there? And then we're going to put in a clove of garlic. I got a monster clove. I mean, this could almost be considered, it's bigger than my thumb. But we're going to go with a big, massive clove. If you don't love garlic.
And since we're massive,
I'm going to do
a massive thing of.
All right.
You know, it's hard to know because lots of those are whole.
And now a third cup of rice vinegar in that same unit. It's the third cup. And then we're going to go with 2 tablespoons of miso. This is miso. Some people are totally familiar with miso, but miso is, if you're not familiar, it is fermented soybean paste. It's salty or has a great umami flavor. It's for so many different Asian foods, and it's delicious. People might go, ew, fermented soybean? Well, I'll just say one word to you. Cheese. Fermented, ancient breast milk of a cow. Ugh.
It is?
What do you think cheese was?
I didn't think it was fermented.
How do you think cheese gets so old and hard and yucky? And
I don't know, but it's not.
I mean, it smells like old socks. I mean, how would you describe the smell of cheese, you guys? How would you describe the smell of cheese? Pungent? What?
Good.
I haven't smelt it for so long. So you're putting in a tablespoon, two tablespoons.
Tangy, yeah. It's just that fermented-y, tangy.
And then I bet you're going to put in a tablespoon of.
We're going to put in a tablespoon of minced ginger. Right
minced
there.
ginger.
Yeah, that's minced. It's getting ready. There you go. And then with 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. 1, 2. A little less than that because we have so much miso on there still. And then 2 teaspoons of tamari. Now tamari is very similar to like soy sauce, soybeans. Miso is also made from soy. Soy is incredibly protective from us developing tumors of the breast.
Also
protective. Like
the one positive thing
had cancers. Go ahead.
One positive thing about miso is that although it's high in sodium, it isn't somehow as harmful as normal sodium.
It doesn't seem to affect blood pressure. So we're going to do 2 to 4 tablespoons of water. So I'm going to start with just 2 and a bit there and see how we need to add them. This is the governor for the texture. Do you want to make it thin like a dressing, like a drizzle, or do you want to have it be thicker and spreadable, kind of more like a hummus or dipping with a little bit of body for a sauce? Here we go. All those walnuts just have to get just pulverized. Can you tovolo?
Sorry about that.
All right. So what should we try this with? What should we dip? What should we dip in here? What should we dip in here?
A tovolo.
No. No. What food? What food?
Whoops.
What food should we try? Which food should we dip in here?
Well, you know what? I'm dipping my tovolo because it overflowed onto it.
Okay. How's it taste?
Lovely.
Oh,
it's got that. Whatever it touches, it would make that.
Yeah, I'm gonna get something
satisfying.
I'm gonna get something. We've got some great
red peppers.
I'm gonna have a piece of lettuce actually. And we've been getting this wonderful butter lettuce lately. I want Wade to try. Here, Wade.
Okay.
Cheers. There you go. What do you think of that?
Oh.
Oh, I like that. Is it,
I think I'm going with what Ann was saying. You can put it on anything.
you can put it on anything.
But this is, again, we could just eat all this lettuce right now.
Let's try it. On cookies.
Oh,
Go with it.
all right. So I would put a lid on this, put it in the fridge, and I'll save it for, this would probably go for at least 2 salads with Brian and me, or maybe if we had a meal with salad and rice and beans and stuff, we could just put, we'd probably work through the whole jar that night. All right. Well, Ann seems busy, but let us know how you use your
totally
ginger, walnut, and miso dressing. What do you put it on? Your salad, your greens, your beans, your cookies, your berries, your...
You know what?
What?
I've got a new idea.
What's
for
that?
salad. You don't put it in a bowl and mix it. You dip it into a little bit of ginger, walnut, romaine.
The spears,
Dip.
you just dip right in.
So good.
All right. Hey, thanks so much. Enjoy your dressing. Let us know how you use it.
Bye.